Hello guys, I'm going to solve today's lead code question, that is delete the middle node of a linked list. Yesterday we solved a problem like it was finding maximum twin sum in a linked list, and what we did was we founded the middle of a linked list and then reverse the second half, like we reverse 7126. But in this question what we have to do is we have to delete the middle node. So basically what we have to do is we have to see, in this is an example of a odd length linked list 1 3 4 7 1 2 6. So this is 7 size linked list, so it's an odd length linked list, so 7 is the mid value. We have to delete it. Now to delete a particular value, now of course this is a singly linked list. What is a singly linked list and what is a doubly linked list, I think everybody knows. So this is a singly linked list, so that means you can only go ahead. So 7 stores the information of 1, not 4. In a doubly linked list it stores the information of 1 and 4 both, but it is a singly linked list, so 7 will store only the information of 1. So we cannot go to the middle node. So this is like a very good catch of this question. We cannot go to the middle node. We have to go to a node behind the middle node. So we will go to node 4. We'll connect node 4 with 1 and then delete 7. This is like the procedure, and same goes for the even linked list, even size linked list. So what I've did is I've created a code. So what I will do in my code, I have figured out an idea that how we will go to this node. See, for going to the middle node, I'll write the code for going to the middle node. We'll first of all create a slow pointer. Okay, so this is all commented out. I'll make a multi-line comment here. I'm writing the code for finding the middle of a linked list. So I'll initialize slow with head and fast with head, and I'll make a loop while fast not is equals to null, and next of fast is also not equals to null. And in this what I will do is I simply do slow is equals to slow of next. So I'll move slow 1 point and fast is equals to fast of next of next. So I'll move slow by 1 point and fast by 2 points. So and then I'll return slow, and this slow would be our middle of a linked list. But for this what I have to do is we have to move fast initially by 2 steps. So here we initialize fast is equals to head, but in this case for this question, because we cannot go to the middle node, we have to go to a node behind the middle node. So I'll make list node slow, I'll initialize this with head, and I'll make a list node fast. I'll initialize this with head of next and next. Now since I've initialized this with head of next and next, now there could be a case if head is null. What if is head is null? Head is null, or there could be a case where head of next is null. So this is a case where there are no nodes, and this is a case where there is a single node. So what I have to do for this, I'll just simply delete head and return a null pointer. This is the case for only this is the case for 0 nodes or 1 node. So basically 0 size or 1 size, and this is a general case for all the sizes from 2 to any n value. Okay, so I have a board drawn. Now this is a linked list of odd size because the size of the linked list is 5. What I have done in my code is I've initialized slow with head, so our slow pointer is here, and I've initialized my fast with head of next and next. So basically fast would be here. On the next step, since we'll have a loop to check fast not is equals to null and fast of next is not is equals to null. So what we can do is we can move slow to the next position and also fast to the next of next position. So basically 2 positions ahead. So on the second what will happen on the second, now our slow will reach this point and our fast will reach this point. So we have reached this point. What I have to do at this point, see, our target was to go behind this, since this is our middle, and we have reached there. We have reached behind our middle, and on the next step this loop will not run because fast of next is null. Because of this condition, now loop will not run, and we have got to our node. We have reached 2, and now at 2 what I will do is I'll connect 2 with 4, and then I'll delete 3. So since I've reached here, I'll create list node of temp that will contain slow of next. What is temp? I've created temp. Temp stores slow of next. So basically temp stores value of 3. And now I will make slow of next is equals to temp of next. I have made the next value of 2 as the next value of 3, that is basically 4. So I've connected 2 to 4, and now I will just delete temp. I will delete temp and I'll return head. So this was the code, and we can also check it for an even length. Our slow pointer is here, our fast pointer is here. On the next second, what will happen? We'll do slow here, and our fast would be here. Then we'll move 1 more second ahead. Then we will have our slow here and our fast somewhere like here. So now loop will not run, and this was the middle of our linked list, and we have reached behind the middle node. So let me run this. I hope so this part is like justified. This is just I'm storing the middle node. This temp will store the middle node. Then I'll connect this node with this node using this line. Slow of next is equals to temp of next, and now I'll delete the middle node, and then I'll return